Hello everyone, this is Team Subhag and we are introducing you our newly launched product V Conceive. I'm going to explain you how it works and how to use the product. So our kit consists of three products. So in the kit you will have a manual, V Conceive, semen collection cup and a syringe. You only need these 4 items for the procedure. So let's start with each product, how to use it. In this pouch we have our product V Conceive. You open it, I'll leave it here. So normally you'll get the V Conceive product like this. What you have to do is you have to take the flaps, you notice the rim around it. You have to fold it with the borderline of the rims and make sure it is folded neatly and nicely. It should look like this. Now I take the semen collection box. Your male partner needs to use it the time of collecting the semen sample. This is the manual. Once you open it, you'll see all the procedure, how to do it one by one. There are 10 procedures there. This is a syringe, which I'll explain you further how to use the syringe. So take the product, take V Conceive, take a vessel. You have to boil it for sterilizing it. So you just put it in a boiling water for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's boiled, take it out with the help of a spatula or anything you like. Do not use your hands and put it in a fresh cotton cloth or a towel. Wrap it and put it aside. Then the male partner needs to use the semen collection cup. Tear it from the margin which is shown there. Like this. And open it. You can put the semen sample inside and close it as soon as you put it there, and then leave it for 30 minutes outside. Now we start the procedure. This is the V Conceive. You have to fold it, you have to press it here, you have to fold it like this. It should be something like that when you have folded it. For example, this is the vagina. You put it inside the vagina. You can also apply some ointment over it if it's uncomfortable to insert it. After putting the ointment, you put it inside. Use the help of the longest finger and push it further inside. It will open itself inside and take the shape, and just to make sure that it has reached the cervix, so you have to put the finger inside and feel it, that if it's not going further, that means it has reached to the end. Once it's done, the tail will be outside. Take the syringe is there. Take the semen collection cup. For example, the semen is inside. I'll put the syringe inside. I'll take out the content. I'll fill the syringe with the content. I'll take the end of the tail of V Conceive. I'll attach the syringe with the end of the V Conceive. It's very easy to attach. And you just pull the plunger inside, push the plunger inside slowly, and that's it. After it's done, wait for 2 minutes and then take it off. You need to lie down in the same position for like 3 to 4 hours, and it's better if you do it at night so that you can relax while it's inside, and that's it. Now, once you are done, you need to remove the device outside. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to take the end of the tail, you pull it out. So yeah, you pull it outside and you can discard away all the used materials. You can discard them in a wet waste. Thank you.